Hello everybody, welcome to our today's video, and our today's ER regular verb in French is demander, to ask. So in daily life, if you have to ask someone something, you can use this verb. So now let's get to the conjugation, guys. Je demande, I ask. Tu demandes, you ask. Il demande, he asks. Elle demande, she asks. Nous demandons, we ask. Vous demandez, you ask. Il demande, they ask. Elle demande. Again, they ask. So, to learn the concept of conjugation of ER regular verbs in French, you can go to our French lessons and learn the in-depth conjugation of ER verbs. I will give you the link in the description below, also on the I button. And to make it more simpler for you in this video, I will give you an example. He asks for chocolates. Il demande des chocolats. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. Bye.